think the city is one of those places you'll never get tired of exploring. Especially when you ride a bike. You can go anywhere you want. I feel like every time when I start riding, the city just changes from all perspectives. The texture of the buildings shimmer with a certain magic. Streets start pulsating with life and become more vibrant, diverse. If ever there is a moment when you feel completely alive and immersed, I think this is that moment. As a musician, finding inspiration is never an easy thing. To me, the city itself provided me endless amount of desire for creation. Whether it's a cafe, neighbourhood, or by the ocean, there are always stories going on which I can feed into my own. This city is completely revealing itself to me, showing me its secret side. I like riding without destination. Go out, get lost, and the scenery along the journey is never disappointing. Every city is different. Each has its own beauty. And when you're on your bike, you reconnect with that beauty and remember just why it is that you live there. The unique feeling I have on a bike is the freedom I feel, wherever I am or wherever I'm going. And I believe that feeling will last forever as long as I'm riding.